My name is Tushar. I'm going to explain you about the project R2 in which we have to install the prototype into Ruby on Rails using SQLite database, which we have created in project 1, and now we have to deploy an Amazon Web Service. In click on launch instance, we click on Ubuntu, we check the general purpose which is already selected, go next, and if the storage is given, so we go to add tags, configure. So we need to add the custom TCP IP. We have to tell the port range from 3000. And before launching, we need to review it. Review launch. So we need to create a new pair. We'll create it as R2. Download pair. So R2.pm is already created down here. And then we will launch instance. So we go to view instances. So see. So it is launching and it will take some time to launch. We can see our AWS is running. We go to connect. So for connect, we need a standalone SSH client. For that, we need to use PuTTY. It load. One. So after that, we open paste the host name, copy the host name. Go to and then afterwards we go to SSH. Authentication. We browse project 1. Open. So PuTTY is open.
Hello, I'm leaving.
So in PuTTY we have to click Ubuntu. After that we need to update the package. So we click sudo npm install update. So all packages is being uploaded and is updated. And afterwards we need to install the Ruby. So we go sudo apt-get is all the things are upgraded, not upgraded, newly upgraded, all the stats is presented. Then we have to upgrade the Ruby gems. So we go sudo apt gems. Go to install library. The newest version is installed. Then we have to install gem install the Ruby SQLite theme has been installed. Then we have to install Node.js. Install JS. So it's done and is upgraded. After SQLite is done, we go to open FileZilla. To transfer the files, we paste the host name, which has been taken, username as 122. Afterwards, we go to edit, settings, HTTP. We need to add key file, so it's loaded. We close it and we press quick connect. So we are waiting for connecting. So the status is connection successful, which means that the connection has been established. Then afterwards, we need to create the file in which we had the photos, in which we have the photos. It says that the untitled is already made, so we will title. So we go in untitled. So we go to Ubuntu untitled. So the untitled has been successfully launched here. Then we have to go to untitled, drag and drop, copy. Have paste all. So we copied and we have pasted everything. So by the drag and drop method, all the files of untitled has been present in FileZilla. Then afterwards we will click sudo and install Rails. So Rails has been installed. Then we will install bundle. So the gem file has been completed with dependency. 75 gems has been installed. Then we will install Rails. Enter. So this we have deployed everything. We copy the IP address. Search 300 user index. So this is the Photosite website which has been deployed. We can click on it. We can see the photos. Photos present on here. So this was the project. So we need to resolve what happens if NC stop running whenever we close or we shut down the laptop or the computer. The data will be lost. For that for the data that will be lost, in order to save it, we need to go to EC actions, image, create image. In the create image we can paste the image name, image description, and we can click on the create image. So the image will be stored in the SSD of the laptop.